Erica, my fairy godmother senses started tingling and It looks like a tornado swept through here. What is your problem?
No, this is just some creative chaos.
I never knew you were a slob.
Am I supposed to be offended by that?
No, you're supposed to take it as a hint to clean up your house. You do know how to clean, right?
Yeah, no. I must have skipped that class in high school.
What are we gonna do with her, Sparkle Farts? All right, get up, we're cleaning. Okay, first piece of equipment. What is this?
Is it a tiny blanket?
No, this is a rag. You use it to dust off surfaces.
You know, I think I'd rather dust off the piano and play you a tune.
Although I am pleased to hear you use the phrasal verb dust off in its colloquial sense, meaning to start using something again after being away from it for a long time. Now is not the time for piano. It is, however, the time to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to this channel. Ah, you found the mop. You use it to mop up spills.
Or dance the tango when you're alone on a Friday night.
Whatever floats your boat.
Fairy Godmother, why is it mop up and not mop down?
Actually, we do use mop down in certain cases. For example, we mop down a floor, meaning we clean the floor with the mop. However, we mop up a spill because we are picking up the mess with the mop. The same thing applies to the word wipe.
So I wiped down the counter by wiping up the milk I spilled?
Exactly. Simple.
Not even slightly. You know, you get used to the smell.
Take out the garbage. Take the garbage out.
All right, calm down. I'll take out it.
We've been over this before. When we use a pronoun with a phrasal verb, it has to go in the middle.
That's right, I'll take it out.
Before you do, I don't think this is supposed to be that color.
It's probably still good.
Throw it out. Throw it away.
Okay, I'll throw it out, then I'll take the garbage out.
So, are these clean or dirty?
Clean.
Fine, then you have to fold them and put them away.
Fine, I'll put my clean clothes away.
Whoa! Oh, spanglebats!
Oh my gosh, are you okay?
I think so. What did I trip on?
I must have left these books lying around.
You know, you could probably pick up after yourself a little bit more.
I play pickup basketball every Saturday.
No, a pickup sports game is like an informal competition without much prior planning. Picking up after yourself means not leaving your things around.
Oh, I guess I am kind of messy, huh?
It's okay. There are worse things you could be. Let's finish cleaning up this apartment.
Clear off. Scrub off. Wash off. Dry off. Soak up. Wring out.
This place looks much better.
It does. Thanks for helping me clean up, Fairy Godmother.
No problem, sweetheart.
What's with the broom? We already swept up all the dirt that was on the floor.
Oh, well, I'm I'm just exhausted after helping you clean up your whole situation here. I don't have the energy to magic myself home.
Oh, so the broom is...
It's my ride. Gandalf, honey. Yeah, I'm on my way home. You can go ahead and heat up the jacuzzi. I'll be right there.